Welcome, all of you, to the Ambition Law Institute. In this video, we will just give you brief idea about the way we teach at Ambition. Actually, whenever a student start preparing about any exam and whenever they come across about various coaching institute, they have the biggest question कि why should I take admission in that particular institute? That is the main question. When I say when you have to decide like which coaching center is best for me, various questions come to the mind of the candidate, like about the study material, about the classes, the timings, and the most important thing is the teachers. Who are the teachers? In this video, I will just be, I will be simply explaining you a very simple thing. I'm not going to discuss about any subject or anything else right now. I'm just going to have a very small discussion with all of you about this exam. You know, whenever we talk about the pattern of teaching, at Ambition, the most important thing, the ideology, the concept of our teaching is the guidance by Alok Ranjan sir, whose mantra is simple. Law is nothing, it is just common sense and logic. And believe me, if you guys apply the common sense, simple common sense and logic, it is equal to law. Law is the creation of human beings only. Law is not a rocket science, believe me. Whenever we approach any coaching center, they usually create a fear in the mind of the candidates. It is very difficult subject. You have to give 10 hours, 15 hours, or they basically give you so many kind of thoughts that create a doubt in your mind. But at Ambition, we have very simple concept. We never consider any subject as a difficult subject because subject is not difficult. It is the pattern of the teachers who make the subject difficult. But at Ambition, we basically make you things understandable in the easiest manner. And whenever you study about any exam, whenever you prepare for any exam, believe me, first of all, understand why. Why this subject is there. If you get to know about this why of any subject, believe me, other things are just secondary and they're easy to achieve. And any kind of question you face in the examination, you will be able to give the answer. That is the way we deal. We never tell our students that this subject is difficult or that subject is difficult. We treat every subject equally and believe me, in the most easiest manner. You can say law is actually not a rocket science. It is not a mathematics. It is simply the law is basically the set of rules and regulations made by the society to regulate the society itself. That is the law. And now in a given situation, whenever you come across any question, just try to figure out what should be the better solution if we consider that situation from a reasonable man in the society. That is the law. In the same way, when you study different subjects of law like Indian Contract Act, Constitution of India, Indian Penal Code, Criminal Procedure Code, Civil Procedure Code, Evidence Act, any subject you go through, believe me, everything is very easy. When we talk about the reasoning, when we talk about the English or the journal knowledge or the current affairs, the point is, first of all, अपने दिमाग से डर निकालिए. Just get rid out of this fear from your mind. Whoever says लॉ तो इतना मुश्किल है, लॉ तो उतना मुश्किल है, लॉ में तो ये सेक्शन याद करने होंगे, लॉ में तो ना जाने क्या क्या याद करना होगा, लॉ में तो रट्टे मारने होंगे, बिलीव मी, इट इज नॉट दिस, it is not the reality. It is the fake propaganda. When you understand law from a layman, from a common man, and from a legal person perspectives, one by one, step by step, law becomes the part of your daily life. So similarly, at ambition, when we deal, like specifically, I deal in ambition with the legal reasoning, logical reasoning. So whenever you cover these kind of subjects, or when I say how you should prepare with these subjects, I advise all of you always go through the PYQs, the previous year questions, the study material, and the mock tests. All of these things will give you how to crack the exam. Simple. एक बात ध्यान रखिएगा बच्चों, लाइफ में हमेशा just take the study, you know, in a very easy manner. पढ़ना है. Your task, your karma is only to study as per the advice given by the faculty members. Nothing else. ठीक है. अब रही बात what basically, what a kind of ideology or the pedagogy we follow at ambition. Whenever we start teaching, we start with giving you an example with the PYQs, the previous year questions, which usually comes in the examination, so that you can understand what kind of questions you are going to face in the examination. Then the study material thoroughly, revised, updated at at regular intervals, and accordingly the mock tests which are being prepared by the experts. If you follow this three-step process, no one can, no one can compete with you, because once you are clear about your strategy, your method, your way of preparation, things are very easy. But if you just delve into the thinking process कि ये मुश्किल है, नहीं होगा, यार ये सब्जेक्ट नहीं आता, इग्नोर इट. तो सबसे पहली बात बच्चों, एक बात ध्यान रखिएगा, लॉ को एक कॉमन सेंस की तरह से लीजिएगा. यहाँ पर रॉकेट साइंस अप्लाई मत करिएगा कभी भी. और सबसे बड़ी बात, at ambition you can talk to your faculty members, you can have a consultation at whatever time you require, any kind of help you require, any kind of guidance you require, we are always there. Because your ambition and our ambition both are same. You have to crack the exam, even we want you to crack the exam. तो जब आप दोनों के गोल्स मिल जाते हैं ना, तो एक जर्नी शुरू हो जाती है. तो आपकी भी जर्नी और हमारी भी जर्नी सेम है, तो इसलिए हमारी डेस्टिनेशन भी सेम है. That's why Ambition Law Institute is the institute whereby, with the professionalism, with the pedagogy, with the approach of teaching, with the approach of counseling, with the approach of guiding or mentorship, we are at the top. And these are not only the words, it is the actual outcome at Ambition. And whenever you feel free, whenever you have any doubts or any queries, please come and have a discussion with our counselor. We are always here to help you out. Thank you, all of you. Thank you very much.